Harley Girl 75. Our trip has started. We left around 7:45 this morning. We meant to leave at 6, but we didn't get up until past 5. And then it takes time to load up the bikes and get everything ready to go. Oklahoma. Very hot. It's over 100 degrees, my gauge says. But the humidity is, I think the heat index is 110 or so. It's not comfortable. This is my least favorite part of our route out west. I saw lightning. We're gonna get really wet. Well, we've been hoping for rain all day. Here it is. Yep. Now we're really gonna get it. We need it at most in Oklahoma.
Yeah, the painting.
It's temperature's down to 90 now.
Feels pretty good, actually.
I know it does.
That was our first
shelter.
trip out.
Raton, it just seems like Raton is a very active weather location. Every time we pass through Raton, it's either snowing or raining or... Oh! Wow! That was a big lightning strike.
Yep.
Lightning bolt. Do you want to stop for gas and put on rain gear?
Yeah, that might be a good idea because we're getting ready to ride right into it.
Yeah. Who knows? Could be a downpour. Looks like it is. Wow. This is a storm right here. Ouch. I think, damn. Ah, damn, we're getting held on. I don't know what he's doing. Should have probably waited this out. Ouch. Let's stop, dude. Ugh.
Recording.
I think we're out of the storm. It's over there. Look how dark. You see the mirror, how dark it is. We might hit some more rain up here, I don't know, but I didn't see any on the radar.